So, hi, honey. This is the place I'm talking to you. This is a park. This is a big park. You can make a party here. And this is it. This is the beautiful place. I always coming here every time before because I live walking distance from here. This is called Ryder Park. So, this is the beautiful place. It's green grass. And those are the beautiful seagull in there. Look at all the birds. And look at the beautiful view, Sunny. So, look at the bird right on the thing. So, but this is the ocean. This is the beautiful ocean. I think it's high tide. So, this is it, honey. So, this is it. So, there's an airplane right there. And there is the bird, ducks, right there. And there's a big plane. So, this is it, honey. I always coming here. And I always sitting down here. Sometimes I go eat breakfast in here because I like the fresh air. And the bridge over there, those are San Mateo Bridge, crossing into the other side of the over there. So did you see the kind of mountain there? That's the one the people is going up and then going down in the other side, and it's also water right there. So it's a beautiful. So here, thank you so much, Annie. I want you to watch this one, and I think when you coming here, I'll take you here because this is a beautiful place. And then over there, those are all yachts, and also it's a beautiful one. And over the other white one, it's San Francisco area and some airport, San Francisco airport. So those are the airport over there. So thank you, honey. Love you. I love you. So ayun. So how's the beautiful, diba? See, that's that. Look at the ducks and bird. That's a mix, bird and So shoot out. Beautiful, right? Thank you. Bye bye. Love you. Nahulog.